Hey, Superman Kev 2001. So today I'm out in the shop and I've got a little bit of a problem. Everybody likes your bike to be loud, but mine's way too loud. And I took a look underneath. Apparently, I got a hole in my exhaust. So let's try and fix that today. I didn't know quite how I was going to fix this. Harley Davidson suggested that they would take my exhaust off, and for $300 they could weld the hole. I'm going to opt for the JB Weld High Heat Repair, because if it doesn't work, I can always weld it. So apparently what I have to do here is I need to cut this for as much as I need. I think I'm going to try using about half of it because I got a pretty big hole there. So I'll cut this thing in half. And there we go. So what you're supposed to do with this stuff is knead it. So I'm going to take this plastic off it, and then I knead it, and it's actually 2-part epoxy high heat stuff. So let's give this a go. And oh, it's hard to push. And you're supposed to do this until this stuff starts to heat up. And you know what? I'm gonna put on some gloves because I can just imagine this stuff is not going to be that wonderful. I need this stuff, and boy do I need it. Well, let's see if we can put this stuff on. So I'm going to give that overnight, and then we'll come back, we'll take a look at it again, and we'll see if it's how it's doing. All right, let's give that a go. Patched up the bottom of that muffler. Let's take a look at it today and see what it looks like. So let's get under here and take a look. Pretty good. Let's see how hard it is. Oh, it's like a rock today. So it's actually sat for a couple of days now. So we're going to take it out for a spin and see how it sounds. Let's start up the bike and see what happens. Let's start this bad boy up. All right, here we go.
I don't know about you, but when I get on my bike and I get a chance to go riding, I always get that, I don't know what to call it. I'm going to call it shit-eating grin. I always think the best part of a repair is when you get to go out and try the bike out and see how it works. Or it doesn't work, but you get to take the bike out. That's the best part, if you ask me. Well, my patch seemed to be doing okay. It seemed to be holding, and it sounded all right. So I took my bike for a little bit of a spin and see how it lasts. If you like this video, slam that like button. And if you wouldn't mind, please hit that subscribe button. And remember, always ride motorcycles and eat ice cream.